Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a new brake band in your chainsaw. I'll place the pin back through the hole in the brake band and install the band into the housing. Now reinstall the brake linkage. Now I can reinstall the spring. I'll place the spring onto the pin on the brake linkage. Now I'll tip the saw on its side, and I'm going to use a screwdriver to compress the spring back into the pocket. You want to be careful as you do this. Keep your hands away from the front of the spring, so if it slips, you don't stab yourself with the screwdriver. Once it's in the pocket, I'll push down on the spring and carefully remove the screwdriver. Now I can reinstall the cover. Now, if and only if the cover is in place, you can then secure it with the screws. I'll reinstall the metal bushing onto the pin and then reinstall the brake lever. And I'll secure the lever with the screws. Now reinstall the top cover. And I'll finish by reinstalling the bar and chain. And that's how easy it is to install a new brake band in your chainsaw.